do this. Daggum. Leave the rocks where they are. Burn that. Despicable garbage. Burning up plastic? I mean, seriously? You literally get garbage bags from the dollar store. Oh, cans will burn, melt. Yeah, you sure did. Sure did. Unbelievable. This stuff here is perfect. It was on the ground, but it's dry. You can tell that by the crunch and the cracks. This will easily get my fire started. A little bend to it, but it's all right. That'll be fine. Oh, battery coming down. Okay, so I had a request to show my flint and steel, to do a flint and steel fire using my Serpent. Wow. Hold on a moment. Work using my Serpent striker. You think something so simple to say would be easy to say, and yet I still flubbed it. Unbelievable. So got my Dominic Menichetti waxed canvas bag. Love this thing. Thank you, Dom. Because I did buy it from him. I didn't, one of those purchases that you, no regrets. It's good, it's just cool. So here's my little Serpent fire steel. I haven't used this guy in a while, so I got it in here next to my, I actually got a couple things in here. This is actually one of those military pouches that you use for, like, I think it's a bug net, but I turned it into my flint and steel bag. So I've got my Habilis Bush Tools striker with me today as well. I got a couple of them with me, and I got a couple pieces of flint here, but I got a nice rock right there. So we're gonna do some flint and steel fire. I've not done in a while. And I got some tulip poplar bark here, my second go-to favorite fire starter. Number one favorite bird nest material. Cedar paper birch is still my favorite, but tulip poplar bark is my number one favorite tinder, which unfortunately does not grow here in Washington. Tulip poplar trees do not grow here, I should say. So I was, Diddy Bushcraft and Outdoors actually sent me a little box, and he threw some of that in there, and I'm very much appreciated, so thank you, brother. And I got my char cloth here, which I actually do have char cloth, so I got my char cloth, my tinder, and my rock. So we're gonna do a flint and steel fire because it will be fun. And if you're not out here having fun, what the hell's the point? I mean, seriously. People come out here and they take over the woods too seriously, and then their videos aren't fun to watch because a person's not having fun out there in the woods. Yes, sometimes things can get frustrating, like forgetting what you're gonna say and, you know, having to work, but sorry, I'm just picking stuff up. What else did I bring? Of course, I brought my fire kit. Brought a ferrocerium rod. I got the don't make a little liar out of me backpack. Oh, I know what I do with it. The Dominator. It's Nathan 4071 ferro rod, but it's a Dominic Menichetti antler handle with a little piece of wood. Man, that's just so cool. So smooth. Just, man. It's 20 for 10 on the awesome scale. So thank you, brother. Appreciate that. And then just because I actually threw in, I got this at the dollar store. It's actually a big hank of, it looks like jute twine, but it feels like jute, but I don't think it's, I think it's just rope. But it might be like a jute type rope. Oh no, it's actually natural jute. But you know, 6 feet of natural jute, and I got it at the dollar store for $1.25. So couldn't turn that down. Plus I got my, what is in my fire kit lately? Yeah, Bic lighter, gotta have that. I got an extra bag to keep moisture out of it. Then I got Mike, my bro Mike made these homemade fire starters I keep as emergency. Then I got my ferrocerium rod striker from firesteel.com, and then because I believe in them, got matches. So not much in my fire kit, but I brought some extra stuff to play with. So I guess I will not ramble and get to work. Oh, I do have some birch in here too. I bought some extra fire stuff because I knew I was going to be doing this. Okay, I got the much needed bug spray, but I haven't needed it yet, knock on wood. And my voice is getting hoarse from all the yakking, so I need to get my ass in gear and get my fire going so I can get a hot drink. I should wet my whistle before I start processing tinder. Wow, am I really at 5 minutes? Damn. Alright, let's get to work. Alright. So I got my tulip popper bark here. And I'm not planning on just rambling the whole time I process, so I'll probably either just run it at high speed, or I'll just cut the camera and process off camera. I'm unusually chatty today, and I don't know why. Like I was just entering just over the pack, and I spent 5 minutes yakking. I'm like, dude, I mean, I'm still doing it. I'm only 45 seconds in, so you want to basically bird nest 101. You just want to work the material down. I'll tell you this. Actually, I knew a guy who was doing it, but he was actually selling this material on his web store as bird. He was actually selling bird nests, and I thought that is freaking brilliant. And I didn't get a chance to buy any, and I was going to, because it's sort of like, take my money, man, take my money. But then I think he's out of business now, which is too bad. I thought it was actually a great idea. Damn, I'm almost a minute and a half and still yakking. Dude. Alright, let me work this off camera. Alright, I think we're in business. Got my fuel prepped and ready, and next to me, so I don't have to jump up and go to the other side of the fire to get it. I got my chart here. Got a little bit more than I would normally have grabbed, but screw it. And I broke it. Messing around with my... It's kind of windy today though too. Well, I'm feeling it on my back. Guess we'll just see what happens. Of course, I'm not as good at this as Orion. Dude's really good at this. Shout out to you, brother. There we go. Not only is he really good at this, he actually makes his own strikers and everything. I've actually got one of his strikers too, so, but it was requested to see the serpent. Das Serpent. Oh no, don't go out at me. And of course, smoke's at my back, but guess where it's flying? I bet you'll never guess. In your face? In my face. That's where I'm gonna get a full face mask one of these days. I don't care how dumb I look. It actually would be pretty funny looking. Oh man, that tinder is so awesome. I'm gonna be really mad if the camera's not on the fire. Noise. Was I in frame? Yes. Yes. Heck yeah. Perfectly in frame. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! And Mark celebrates. Damn, I love this tinder so much. Look how nice of a fire that made. It's just tree bark. The little things in life. And yeah, you can go to Etsy and you can buy fire making stuff, which is nice, but I mean, basically, a piece of metal and a piece of rock, and you got fire with some char, which is easy to make. Oh, smoke in the face. Tell you what. Satisfaction guaranteed. Just love making fire, man. Like I said, piece of metal, a piece of rock, and a piece of char. Nice. I don't know about you guys, I never get tired of watching fire. It's just fire TV. It's truly just the stuff right there. All right.